Have you ever wondered where to put your money to make it grow? Well, the answer lies in the world of investments. An investment is essentially a commitment of funds to one or more assets that will yield returns over time. It's a game of patience and strategy that can turn a small sum into a substantial one. Investing is crucial because it allows your money to work for you and generate more money. It can provide an additional income stream, help you build wealth, and even get you through retirement comfortably. There are various types of investment options available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Each comes with its own set of risks and rewards. And within this vast landscape of investment options, one name stands out: JPMorgan Chase, a global leader in financial services. This titan of the finance world offers a myriad of opportunities for investors. As we dive into the world of JPMorgan Chase, let's take a look at its history and growth. JPMorgan Chase, a name known worldwide, but do you know its roots? The story of JPMorgan Chase is a tale of resilience, innovation, and strategic mergers, spanning over 2 centuries. It all started in the early 19th century with the Manhattan Company, founded by none other than Aaron Burr. Yes, the same Burr who famously dueled with Alexander Hamilton. The company was initially created to supply clean water to New York City, but it quickly shifted its focus to banking. The next significant development came with the formation of JPMorgan and Company in the mid-19th century, under the leadership of the legendary financier John Pierpont Morgan. He reshaped the American financial landscape, financing railroads and creating U.S. Steel, the world's first billion-dollar corporation. Fast forward to the early 20th century, Chase National Bank was formed, named after the U.S. Treasury Secretary and Chief Justice Salmon P. Chase, though he had no direct connection to the bank. It quickly became one of the largest banks in America, acquiring several smaller banks and expanding its reach nationwide. The pivotal moment in our story came in the year 2000 when Chase Manhattan Corporation merged with JPMorgan and Company, creating JPMorgan Chase and Company. This merger combined the retail banking strength of Chase with the investment prowess of JPMorgan, creating a financial powerhouse that continues to dominate the global banking scene. Over the years, JPMorgan Chase has weathered financial crises and economic downturns, always emerging stronger. It's now one of the big 4 banks in the United States with assets exceeding $2.5 trillion. It's a leader in investment banking, financial services for consumers and small businesses, commercial banking, financial transaction processing, and asset management. From a small banking institution to one of the world's leading multinational banks, JPMorgan Chase's journey is truly inspiring. Fast forward to today, where does JPMorgan Chase stand in the global market? Let's delve into the present. JPMorgan Chase is not just a name in the financial world, but a powerhouse that influences the global economy. It's like the heart in the body of international finance, steadily pumping vitality into markets worldwide. As of today, JPMorgan Chase operates in more than 100 countries, providing a vast array of financial services. From investment banking to asset management, from private banking to treasury services, it's a one-stop financial hub for millions of consumers, small businesses, and many of the world's most prominent corporate, institutional, and government clients. Its operations are so expansive and diversified that its performance often reflects the health of the global economy. When JPMorgan Chase prospers, it's a good sign that the world's financial systems are functioning well, and prosper it has. Over the last few years, JPMorgan Chase has consistently outperformed its peers, showcasing its robust financial health. Its revenue growth and profitability are a testament to its strong operational efficiency and strategic investment decisions. Not only that, but its status as a Fortune 500 company further cements its position as a leading global financial institution. The Fortune 500 list, as you may know, is a list of the 500 most profitable U.S. industrial corporations. And JPMorgan Chase has been a regular on this list. This recognition is a reflection of the company's financial stability and its capacity to generate consistent profits. But it's not just about the financials. JPMorgan Chase is also recognized for its corporate responsibility. It's committed to advancing cities, promoting economic inclusion, and supporting sustainable solutions. These efforts demonstrate that the company is not only focused on financial success, but also on making a positive impact on society. In a nutshell, JPMorgan Chase today stands as a beacon of financial strength and stability, a leader in global finance, and a company committed to making a positive difference in the world. JPMorgan Chase's present status is a testament to its strong foundation and strategic growth. Now that you know JPMorgan Chase, what makes it a good investment option? There's no shortage of reasons to consider investing in JPMorgan Chase. As one of the oldest financial institutions in the United States, it has a history of stability and resilience that can offer a sense of security to potential investors. It has weathered financial storms, recessions, and market volatility, consistently emerging stronger on the other side. In the world of investing, a track record like that speaks volumes. Another compelling reason to invest in JPMorgan Chase is its consistent growth. The bank has shown a steady rise in revenue and profits over the years. It's no small feat in the ever-changing landscape of the financial industry. Moreover, it has successfully expanded its operations globally, making it one of the most influential financial institutions in the world. Now let's talk about return on investment. JPMorgan Chase has a history of rewarding its shareholders with dividends and share buybacks. This means that as a shareholder, you stand to gain not just from the appreciation of the share price over time, but also from regular income in the form of dividends. Plus, the bank's future prospects look promising. With its commitment to innovation and adapting to the digital era, JPMorgan Chase is poised to stay relevant and competitive in the years to come. Its investments in technology, including blockchain and artificial intelligence, indicate a forward-thinking approach that's vital in today's dynamic financial environment. So, are you ready to put your money where the growth is? Consider this. When you invest in JPMorgan Chase, you're not just investing in a company. You're investing in a legacy of resilience, growth, and innovation. A legacy that has been shaping the global financial landscape for over 200 years. Investing in JPMorgan Chase is not just about the numbers, but also about being part of a global financial legacy. And that's a legacy you might want to be a part of. So, why should you consider JPMorgan Chase as your investment option? That's the question we've been exploring in this video, and now it's time to recap and wrap up. We've covered the history and growth of JPMorgan Chase, a financial institution that's been around for more than 2 centuries. We've traced its journey from a small Manhattan bank to a multinational financial powerhouse. This historical perspective is important because it shows us how JPMorgan Chase has weathered economic downturns, financial crises, and changes in the banking industry. It's not just about resilience, it's about adaptability. We've looked at the present-day profile of JPMorgan Chase, which is not just one of the largest banks in the world, but also one of the most diversified. It operates in multiple sectors, including asset management, retail banking, and investment banking. This diversity is a strength. It allows JPMorgan Chase to weather fluctuations in any one sector and helps to ensure a stable return on investment. We've also delved into the reasons why investing in JPMorgan Chase could be a smart move. We've talked about its solid financial performance, its steady growth, and its commitment to innovation and digital transformation. We've highlighted the bank's strong leadership, its strategic vision, and its focus on sustainability and corporate responsibility. All these factors make JPMorgan Chase a sound investment option. So, how do you go about investing in JPMorgan Chase? It's pretty straightforward. You can buy shares directly through a brokerage account. If you don't have one, you can open one with any number of online brokers. Once you have an account, you can search for JPMorgan Chase using its ticker symbol JPM, and then decide how many shares you want to buy. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But investing in JPMorgan Chase is not just about buying shares. It's about becoming part of a legacy. It's about contributing to a company that has a long-standing commitment to serving its customers, its employees, and the communities in which it operates. It's about investing in a company that is shaping the future of finance. So, to circle back to our initial question, why should you consider JPMorgan Chase as your investment option? The answer, as we've seen, lies in its history, its present, and its future. It lies in its resilience, its diversity, its financial performance, and its vision. But perhaps most importantly, it lies in its commitment to creating long-term value. Remember, investment is not about instant gratification, but about long-term growth and stability. And with JPMorgan Chase, you're investing in a legacy that promises just that.